Welcome to Naveen Tech Hub, where AI meets real-world engineering.
Confused by operators? Master Python logic and write smarter code. Welcome to Naveen Tech Hub. Learn, build, grow.
Welcome to this video on Python operators and execution logic, a visual guide to data manipulation, memory evaluation, and precedence synthesis.
The Python operator universe includes several types: arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, assignment, and special operators. These operators perform different actions to control the flow and evaluation of data in Python. Division in Python has two forms. Standard division, denoted by a single slash, always returns a floating point value. Floor division, with a double slash, returns an integer if both arguments are integers, or a float if at least one is a float. Remember that dividing by zero raises a zero division error. Python allows string math through concatenation with the plus operator, only when combining two strings. Multiplication is also supported, allowing you to multiply a string by an integer to repeat it. Type errors occur when mixing incompatible types, like trying to add a string and an integer.
Relational chaining allows multiple comparisons in a single expression. The entire chain only returns true if every individual comparison is true. If even one comparison returns false, the whole chain fails and returns false.
The equality operator, double equals, compares the content of variables. The is operator performs an address comparison, checking if variables point to the exact same physical object in memory. Understanding the memory address model clarifies the difference between content and identity. Two separate lists with identical contents are equal, but since they are distinct objects in memory, the is operator returns false. In Python, zero and empty strings evaluate to false, while non-zero values evaluate to true. The and or operators use this truthiness to determine which value to return, often returning one of the operands. Bitwise logic is applicable only to integer and Boolean types. The operators and, or, and XOR work directly on the binary representation of numbers. The complement operator, tilde, involves using the sign bit for negative numbers, which are represented using 2's complement form. Bitwise shifting moves bits to the left or right. A left shift multiplies the number by a power of 2, filling empty cells with 0. A right shift divides the number, filling empty cells with the sign bit to maintain the number's sign. The ternary fork, or conditional expression, provides a concise way to assign a value based on a condition. First value, if condition, else second value. This can be used in simple or nested forms for decision-making. Membership operators in and not in return a Boolean value based on the presence of an element within a collection, such as a string or a list. Python uses a defined hierarchy of execution, or operator precedence, to evaluate expressions. Operations within parentheses are first, followed by exponents, then multiplication/division, and finally addition/subtraction, evaluated from left to right. You can expand your toolkit by importing the math module, which provides advanced mathematical functions and constants like square root and pi. Imports can be standard with aliasing, or explicit for specific members. This Python execution cheat sheet summarizes the operator precedence rules from highest to lowest priority, guiding the order of operation for complex expressions.
Keep learning. Explore AI, data, and cloud. This is Naveen Tech Hub. Learn, build, grow, and subscribe.